Joining on Facebook. Joining on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. We are live. Wow. Sax Bossa. Openibia sending me messages here, and he would want you to do this again. He would want you to do this again. And this is the tribute song to the late former president J.J. Rawlings. Sax Besa Ayebi, but I mean, say Kwesi Asempa Homano say enya tumwa nanka utwa mfonino edi brand. But join here on Facebook. Pictures ni videos yensa aka free Accra International Conference Center nyina join your Facebook Adom 106.3 FM or Facebook na fe YouTube na afei kaya ho na hwe dia ekoso CCI ewo Accra International Conference Center na onso so enye bitwa comment le to ho ya beje bre na fe ya kenkan the amount even as we get ready to receive again Sax Bossa she say sempa homano atomwa anapa homano eni edi apre pa but me di say ebetum ma menhwe say Kwesi Temenka Kwesi Temenka fantastic now homano higher dream initially but so far hot to say Kwesi
well CJ me that the brain after menchia for that cancer so far at the Accra International Conference Center. The Dia Boko, her name on CJ, my member on Fiasia, and Raya Fia Jumemo Yeba. The cancer will be do Liberation Circle, and cry her, and honor security, no, and started fee. Security here very, very heavy. We with the police officers, all lining up right from the runabout at the conference center, and she can't be a bit to be a Muchinano. Now, I say that is the car. No, I sense will be on born with a media and if you be a institution be anymore. And only a bit now. Now, I say, or Mashim, Asham Crawford, Mutim and Sana, Yakata Montuasuna Monko. And I say, so we do conference center and Nimha. So security, very heavy. I'm directing all vehicles, say, Monko Park, our Parliament House, car park, and to party or and after West from Osia on say OPF Parliament House also security and somebody can check you and you check you fiwa now what about the do conference center name who do conference center anymore the barricades and that year be demarcation a barricade in the direction but dia will be far will be ra and the idea be to me ananti basabasa ewa because barricade make idea and security officers so jinawa do no much of the faha everyone na a guide or ediapa now ubra yard the name of the conference center obe the barricade or malia na say copim conference center staircase now before obe exit barricade a checkpoint no a scanner a best scanner and you said yeah, they are phone near the two trade him now fast scanner and now and cast body WhatsApp and sign on the phone. Sanity, the exit of the barricade.
Kwesi to say ya sani etie wo bewura ya dwuma mu hanoma scanner wo ho ye scanner wan sana we wura building ni mu no sa pepe na tie
exactly
okay
and you best scanner and make sure that the bia and so ho we dey be ha again wa ha and yes, the next stage, baby, Obefa, the LCD Worldwide Biotunnel, and the biotunnel near baby, Ubechinamuka, said a big stray, the coronavirus was on the at least a big virus in the Sana web team, and also boots, a tray, and a modia fever, blue color, and then some professional entrance. And he over more much of Sechina for 2 seconds. Now it's in spray when you answer West Film and you will film up here, not a 4 staircase, at the conference center. Off-road staircase na wudu wa also open sanitizers. They are lining up every anchor for each now. And the off-road staircase in the way catch us and patch or sanitizer on Sawaha. Or sanitizer on sunny and sana we proceeded. Now we are fire them. And she will rap fire them so military personnel too agent at the entrance of the fire. The Ukuta phone, Ukuta any gadget I bet me a champ for you and any video. They will make sure that on Betty our entrance watch her. So Obianiwa or the fire name the late president, you know, with any gadget I bet me a champ video and now pictures and now it is not allowed in the fire. However, meaning them penny now, a more panel so a more phone, you just feel months a man, because I'm more dear. They will say, allow more back. They won't a penny dear craft phone, a dear nation, the bottom dear, fine, but say put out on some dear, there is no bump 24 hour on my panel. And I remember bump 24 my panel. And the thing you bet 2 years,
Kwasi answer na beto aso ama me no se utie me na upese unhunu from afar omampani dada rolling sir wada empem yadeda no wompema join him on Facebook sesia join him on Facebook obehunu omampani His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings sir yadeda no ewo empem to join him on Facebook na YouTube sesia join him sesia kwasi to aso ma me.
Right. And the CJ, Ube Rafayawa, Ube who punish me, no Akasia, the late president, Nymphony Daswa, Yatro Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings retired, former president of the Republic of Ghana, 1947 to 2020. And after so, the top, Yatro, our legend lives on. And also Flight Lieutenant, I know your name ran to bring picture. Apostle Fefe. After my member who for your name, the Bia Yadana Casa. Urema, right. Ube say, Yasin Kunyawa, Nema, no exceso.
Okay, Enti, me share video ya. Urema, unsani faso hono, ho ena ebusanfo etete.
Exactly.
Yeah, me say kunyasisi.
Unsani faso. And I wish you upon it. And the late president, he had the tunnel, everyone feeling glass in your dear channel once you and the Yadi will be able to be a band body. Or shepherd glass in keke. Na, well, Yamin Chadia, Yaquena, at the mere room, Akofile pass. If you know your boy theater, because who grandma, a mamma woman say, Urema was that, or Danny when it's Busiano. Now, after which me both, you have to extra and fan and watch what so aqua glass and no extra. Na Uvia, Obe exit here, near that or that one, which in our honor, say what's near Bobo.
Equasi, Mema, what was one mamma, a tea for joining me, no man penny that Yadidano, flowers, a tried to na glass, and a dear general, na Misha, who say, Yashan is soldier front tardy, come na, what damp joining me on Facebook, na fe, was also brand a tribute, Facebook, na fe, YouTube. Equasi, to us, mammy.
Great. And the video said they will describe the and the here. The flowers come and like channel voice here and after in the military uniform. Yes, and one is channel any other channel. On my penny data on the time, but the name now or the call it. That they're not changing here last days, you know. They're not changing the full pan about the said the we're changing the look. And no pepper and I stand here. And the video make us a wobaha so far the question
okay
and
kwasi me bawo baby abusuafo no etene per video ya wadaroma odi brain ya no baby abusuafo no te ni faso no ni bankum so ehefo na etete ho kwasi
ne bankum so obi anti ho they say at the four corners of the glass no baby that I had done no military officer agent each corner and you be military officers 4 agent ho then kuma there obi anti ho
okay
and o court the dia unya rem na hu abusia fon the dia omotia asa otwa ho hia na wapie and banner here obi anti ben kuma
okay kwasi to asoma me
okay and makano say we na after my found 24 kakra so far on my befaha Emra ye pie ye ne bedu anim ha na ye hu V8 ahodo V8 dem makoma ko be 8 pass akese miensa to aso and ya tiso bi kato microphone na eba no ntini e share ni mo sem microphone ben ya me charge o mo si ye ne hu se NDC4 NDC4 o national chairman general secretary director of the elections deputy secretary the communications officer Assembly Senior deputy any or much for which was Hanabiti women's commissioner all the executives of the NDC any or much for or mapa abedua indeed or mapa file back a dimoko meka say makumi no be agent na ha or moshe na my bra or mobedu as usual meka say cultural troop ba ko bi e wa ha na omoko shia omo and ya omo ni omo kasai omo portrene edeji omo so
yeah kwasi ubo cultural troop ya no ebi na sisi ayehwe no Facebook yi tumsa womo egro adowa eni keteni ade yi na me hu sa baiwa bi wo di asa edi champagne fo no eti o kan ya na se sa pepepe na sisi ayeso yehwe no ewo Facebook kwasi
great and that you will plan on that pepe and here and so far but before I met me a chairman no your chair or more makana see you make say opa haswa ambulances are parking wa e was standby obehu police vehicles they are parking wa make me a kind Ghana flag the mako 10 that is 10 posts at the entrance of the foyer no Ghana flag the mako 10 the same 10 posts and I mean you will one at half mark not just a nisra papa said the one no but ninja or my low one my fancy the kakra and no chance or to call attitude yeah that just said the
okay kwasi mame sanfa unko baby ayadeda omampanin dada no na menhwe video ne sane ete no yamben ho entimi hu atade no minim say so da fo ntade de but ubetimi a describe kakra sabe mo na mo makọ ho akopay mo last respect kwasi
wait nekase we osha and the soldier atade na osha bra of of military parade be our military school no sa any blue black be no
yes
over and no osha and no with all the medals of money send and no na the omodia send of the pepe say the man say be on such
enti me hu ne dwene ni nyina ne tiri hu na fita ni nyina ene na body fita ni nyina
the tiri hu na ni na body hu ni tiri ya the body and uniform no excel
ena ebiem so me yi approach for no omugina four corners ni fi ho a me hu sa say ema bi so gina ho no ma wo nsa egu o machi omo ye henfo a
okay you think I know say there or say e jam for class or go church ado yawo bisa your mono abo wa e you be the aka the bonnet amona dia to mani kesia o say opportunity esu ema abusia e omoso omachuma amo eye wo ho
sesi ai mehwa me hu nana kunadu Ajima Rawlings me kire kunafo no in fact mo ko ho ni mood me hu ono an mba nyina atete ne nkyɛn so wo bɔ ne nsɛm nketenkete wo bɔ ni trase saa ni mood te san abusuafo ni nyina me kire kunafo ne mba no kwasi
again na me apio papa e be rem no na se be pa dia shiki me bo modern eben abusua ne pa azana me bo mo kwati ena nipa me kai pa se me jina ne me bo me kwati e ye Timati and me share Timati and now smooth indeed them any aya for kakra even though before you be kwati no ono so bo ni chase but also the dia atete o ma me de meka se ono de ebupu no pa ena this na aka no name also because of mask about to say you know enka mask ni sha obetumi ehu nipa no the social expression ni na wehu mood but because of mask ni we there na nipa na wo ho a ubetumi edi akase o dia o mi na o show mani mposia o timo se yabi eyade a abusia botu ankasa eyade a atama so abusia ade aso
Eche for joining me on Facebook. Ubehunu Kimati Rawlings. Mampeni ni babema ena fei womo maame kunafo na nakura do agema Rawlings. Zenaton soso ewo ho ya Santoa na fei amena womo nyina womo tetete ho sa. Na kwasi emsa nyo womo nko a womo chi so abusuafo ni bi etete ho. So me share video na womo chi so abusuafo ni bi tete ho. Yeah.
I was appointed to your much in the open, you know. I had no idea from the Canada. Traffic is so really bad, and I don't think a year back, you're finally past the nanny and associated as much as possible in special, my Omaha, Nipaka Grammy, the media, the half or more, or mobile finally past the year. Open firm, one hour for a Gadia. Ubekina wa boche kweti komobia COVID-19 adaroma edobe say ana wo no bitwama
kwasi sa me hwa baby a yadeda omampani Rawlings no a me hu se bibi nketenkete bi sisi fam ho nketenkete bi sisi fam ho mfitamfita de ne a me hu ni ye papa kwasi
bibi nketenkete na usi fam DJ Meka say part of the decoration.
Candles, Anna.
Candles. About the candles, this is the one. No, so, much Jatuma, part of the show. The young people the significant. The candles in this one. And the that's the church, Mama.
Well, imagine Munibiana, what Catholic in Tia.
Well, beer. Sorry, Mona Moko, the mobile
well, outside the auditorium, no, then a coso ho, anymore, then a coso ho.
Okay, and so over the outside of the auditorium, now when you have post staircase and after they come for your work, on one media men. I had no station all media men. Yeah, camera. I need a baby at the SPR. You know, yes, media man there is not allowed to enter the main foyer. Yeah, the late president. And the media men in your hand, you can't say, oh, boy, Becca said, more at the moment, a media men. Because of you of a bad year, who buy our rent straight, who be our now, and at any moment, the media men and a contract to promote Johnson, making your kind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a more watching a Obian, Moa, all boys them at Sodium Derby, media said, and see at any point in time, media men, and I'll be where you are.
Great. Now we bomb planning for when hunu womo ana weni ahye womo so but the tie for betimi adjoin me Facebook no obehunu omampani dada adeda no flowers ne de atwa ne hu nyina ahia na ye de glass nso so age ne hu nyina na sere na sempa ebo amane no candles nkete candles na yasoso asine nchen all round na afei flowers ne de I share kama woni hu nyina yadeda no wahye ne soja atade na itiri hu fita na bodwe wodeda empem omanfo jam no kwasi sa me hwe video no a sene na woka no nipa no nkyere so sa nipa embompe so sene a ehunu panifo bi atwam wo mayie na santene ye tenten we no entisa covid protocols no angasa etisen ho say ye this so ewo ho kwasi
in fact DJ Meka say COVID protocols they are hard here it's the move pa in fact they are there by the near supply the airport to in terms of the COVID ubetimi abaha na wabenya COVID and now did the accord the because of his there because who remo obefa boot in this bill o ko shebi na o ba obefem this bill with the idea COVID protocol
se wo hwe me on Facebook Dr. Zenato Rawlings and nipa na niama nka ya so obi ama me pa mtum se wo sun Rollins osu a mampani bi abebam no na niama ya se akuma mamazimbi pa nipa no a wafam okura Dr. Zenato mu no na niama ya se washa mask intimi hu na nim ni ye but na niama ya se akuma mamazimbi pa atum se honorable wosu papa ye pata no yeah take for joining me on Facebook
and it's so they have support TV support TV the company for the ground the firm Mamukia Japan man is Yanka Adia Mofo Yanka is Robeba somebody are water for a democrat media person engage your Mamosia Moncata and one someone at the Omoko on the sofa they see Jamaica said the airport to
well kwasi mentimi hu se mpanimfo bi benwa ka beti no ma twetwe nkoma mentimi hu ara de se mpanimfo bi benwa ka beti ni ene o ma twetwe nkoma ba ko mienu
in fact the media at the moment you the apa insura and then otokuno that you are okay great so I'm interested in akasa de otokuno oh no otokuno
one in every
okay point number what you have for the for
yeah okay kwasi yebe jawo na eche yebesan aba hobio minia kwasi asempa na woten nkano but o hwan wo Facebook stay with us it's and say the first president of the Fourth Republic, His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings and wadam pemuno obra twuo and waka nsa egunu ho a wada ho yede nhwiren asisi ne ho nyina na asam na akoya rehosem nyame no odema ono anso ena oje
You know, these superpowers must learn to accommodate and to live and to accept patriotic leadership, patriotic citizens.
I just figured out I could say out these words or whisper it out loud, cause now you way up beyond the clouds. Many come and go in Ghana, but you always stood out. For it's not like you just move from one town to the next. Where you've gone, I cannot follow unless I take drastic steps. The people of Ghana wanted you to live. Most people take, but you only knew how to give. And boy, oh boy, you did give inspiration to millions of us. You were no ordinary man, no, you were beautiful inside out. You were powerful, the Lady Justice of our time played out. On the 12th of November, your death came as a doubt. Cause how can such a stout and devout man with a heart of gold now turn cold? The heart that shut up Ghana's reputation of peace worldwide. You were a peaceful man. I take solace in the fact that now you walk on the streets that match that golden heart of yours. So if you can hear me now, please tell Jesus that Ghana says thanks. Yes, thanks in this circumstance. Beto Monunye Jenna Kafu Kafu.
Well, Sax, bossa, Sax. Yamin Papa. Thank you so much for coming. Well, I was saying, I had a member of Quina, Erijumedi, the SC, Pensemo, and once a day in Fama Puma drinks, or Madaroma, and almost saw us. Yes, sorry, now, yeah, the Abdom work and happiness, yeah, the at 12 so, but the marine free say, oh my, your account for whom some children. A woman on my council, some chenko for those who talk to you about others, talk to others about you. And then again, the price for greatness is responsibility. Have a good morning.
Yes, I fit 2021 more. Tiasina won kwa na ya dum bi keke. Ototrobo so to so bo awia. Okanya seme Yehowa. Ehuna mobiri. Ehum ni aham nyankopon. Bra ne beji wa yeye. Adum live worship busum ya kom chene pa bona drusuo. Adum live worship monthly fasting and prayer festival. January day basu every 27 kopim 29 5 p.m. sharp. Na jumadi tata so. E basu live for Gloryland Hotel. Odoko. Tuesa friend to fokudam. E bit say Jack Alulome, Celestine Donko, Minister Paulo, Francis Amu, Penny Sansa, and to 4p. Branian for Domo Dominion Radia Sunkusu. Jumadi to the day say covenant with the Lord. Genesis 28, 20 to 22. Guy who said Jumadi Jayan your Reverend Kwamina Aidan. How Adum FM ne Adum TV and the ditch when you chame. And the Kasha Unia no some country in so Mrej when they say Gloryland Hotel Odoko 27th, 29th January. No Bayan Shira. Adum live worship monthly fasting and prayer festival. Adum 106.3 FM and a Debril.
Lowest prices in electronics. Hey, yeah, they got to tell you my so better be the encha be bro lowest prices in electronics. Hey, yeah, they Kafa TV, Ebiwa, free to hold the Ebiwa, condition papa no Ebiwa, gas cookers, Ebiwa, over so to cotton, a quiet and now we be a good use of quiet. Shadia Cassia promo, Shadia Cassia promo, Ecoso. Cap fam, ya titizo, Cap fam, your home of quality home appliances.
Don Marcus Travel and Tours. Edia kwenya kese aba ama edwumayefo bi te se construction workers, factory hands, cleaners, general workers, packers, and farm workers on peso mo ye adwuma e wo Poland, Montenegro, Lithuania, Romania, Portugal, and Dubai. Kai se, oh ba, na wo de Ghanaian international passport and wo birth certificate abe peke registration form. E wo Don Marcus Travel and Tours offices. Registration forms no e 200 cedis each. Na package ni nyina e 6,000 euros. Fra Don Marcus Travel and Tours. E wa homa trofo iso 0302 908 698 and 024-904-5442 and 020-4949-520 and email and donmarcustravels@gmail.com. Sheshe Don Marcus Travel and Tours Ichirakwai ewa Spintex Road. Ya ben bachona Total Filling Station. Afe Temple Gates Road. Ewa Absolute Building Kwano so. Spintex Road, Accra. Don Marcus Travel and Tours. Your reliable travel consultants. Don Marcus Travel and Tours. Edia kwenya kese aba ama edwumayefo bi te se construction workers, factory hands, cleaners, general workers, packers, and farm workers on peso mo ye adwuma e wo Poland, Montenegro, Lithuania, Romania, Portugal, and Dubai. Kai se, oh ba, na wo de Ghanaian international passport and wo birth certificate abe peke registration form. E wo Don Marcus Travel and Tours offices. Registration forms no e 200 cedis each. Na package ni nyina e 6,000 euros. Fra Don Marcus Travel and Tours. E wa homa trofo iso 0302 908 698 and 024-904-5442 and 020-4949-520 and email and donmarcustravels@gmail.com. Sheshe Don Marcus Travel and Tours Ichirakwai ewa Spintex Road. Ya ben bachona Total Filling Station. Afe Temple Gates Road. Ewa Absolute Building Kwano so. Spintex Road, Accra. Don Marcus Travel and Tours. Your reliable travel